So guys, today is going to be part 2 for the Reigarw comparisons probability video tutorial. So last time we got done on how to make the first box, and today we're going to be talking about how to animate the box and make them move, like how it is sense-making manner, and how to add more boxes. So I have to split it into 2 parts once again because Keynote doesn't let you to publish any video longer than 15 minutes. So let's just begin now. Duplicated twice. First we got to make the action move to that side. We got to edit that. Sexy. Delete image. Copy. Paste it here. Here we go. We're done with that. Animate. Oops. No. Make everything move to das. There we go. For that one, we actually have to ungroup it for a drop-in effect. Ungroup them again. Undo group. Put it here, drop in. Group those. Oops. Group. No. Group. Oops, some errors here. There we go. Now
building, moving,
top to bottom, no bounce.
Move
in top to bottom, no bounce.
Move
in top to bottom, no bounce.
And
move in top to bottom, no bounce.
With build one,
no delays.
We could
also add a foreshadower
to show
everyone what the video is going to be about. Text code. This video shows the best probability within 1 year. Probability of death within 1 year for mayflies aged between 0 and 11. Enjoy.
Now we got to
animate it disappear.
On
click.
Yes, after build. Now we got to add
a music audio library. YouTube.
Search music.
Journey.
Download the music. Insert it into your presentation. We got two musics there. After transition. And I think we're done with the editing. Let me check. Yeah, we're done. Next, we got to look at how it would place and how to publish it into YouTube.
To be optional.
So
we could duplicate that to add another box group. And First, we got to make the duration 40 seconds, like everything else. Acceleration got to be 9, and we got to drag it beneath the last group. And the delay is going to be 20 seconds because it's half of the duration. I don't know how to explain it. It's complicated math, but it will work. And just repeat that until you got to the last box and the drop-in is done. And whoops. Why are the durations 1 second? 40 seconds. And the first one got to be 20 seconds, which is half of everything else. No. And we're done. We could publish it into YouTube now. And we actually don't need that. It would just like distort the video. So guys, what I just did was necessary if you guys need a lot of boxes, and just like drag them beneath each other with a delay of 20 seconds each until you got to the last spot and make the drop in there. And we just got done. And to publish into YouTube, we need to just follow the step that I did to publish onto YouTube as a last step. Or if you have a Windows, just screen record. To screen record on Windows, use Windows Alt 5. So now we're going to see how the video play out. that looked pretty good. So if you enjoy the tutorial and really learn something, please like and subscribe so I could make more of those videos, because I really want to teach my fan base lots of things. And if my fan base doesn't grow and people just keep watching the same content, they'll get bored and I will be dismotivated and delete my channel if I don't get a bigger fan base soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.